In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to identify and review overset text in Adobe InDesign. Overset text happens when there's more content in a text frame than the frame can display. It's easy to miss in a complex layout, but catching it early keeps your design clean and your document print ready. I'll walk you through 3 essential checks that make finding and reviewing overset text quick and reliable. First, take a close look at the text frame itself and find the output. This is the small square at the lower right corner of the frame. When everything fits, it appears empty or shows a normal indicator. If you see a red plus sign inside that output, that's InDesign's clear signal that the frame contains overset text. This could be caused by a frame that's too small, a long paragraph, large type, tight tracking, or a text wrap pushing content away. The key is simply to recognize that red plus as your visual cue. Select the frame so the ports are easy to see, and scan your layout for any additional frames with the same symbol. Next, open the pre-flight panel to get a structured overview of potential issues. Go to Window, then Output, and choose Pre-flight. This panel is designed to alert you to problems before you export or print. When it's open, you'll see a status indicator and a categorized list of issues it has found in your document. Overset text is one of the items pre-flight can report, and it will list the frames or stories that are affected. Think of this as your dashboard for quality control, giving you an at-a-glance summary so you don't rely solely on visual scanning. It's especially helpful in multi-page documents where a single missed frame can slip by. Finally, use the story editor to read every character, including the overset portions. Go to Edit, then Edit in Story Editor. This opens a streamlined text-only view of the selected story, separate from the layout. Here, nothing is hidden by frame boundaries, so you can confidently review all content, even the parts that don't fit on the page. It's a great way to proof text, confirm what's being cut off, and decide how you want to handle it back in layout. Story Editor keeps you focused on the words themselves, making it easier to catch truncation, missing sentences, or important notes that might otherwise be out of sight. With these 3 checks, the red plus in the output, the pre-flight panel, and the Story Editor, you'll reliably identify and review